Hey everyone! If you're looking for free photos for your Instagram feed, Reels cover images, or even your Instagram stories, you're going to love this feature. The photos are very natural and you can download as many as you want. A lot of people use them for their Reels covers when they want to stick to a certain aesthetic. Other people love to create a theme on their feed. People also use these photos as backgrounds when they want to do Instagram story games, Q&As, or share a quote. We've even seen businesses use them to create a theme related to their brand. For example, swimwear brands have been using beach, sand, palm tree, and ocean photos. All of the photos are in the free Photos feature in Preview app. You can download free photos and plan your Instagram feed at the same time. It's super easy to use. I'll show you how to use it from the phone app, from Preview Desktop, and how to add these free photos as Reel cover images within Preview app. Finally, how to also save free photos for special Instagram stories. Let's start with the phone app. Open Preview on your phone. Press the plus button, go to Free Photos, and type a keyword in the search bar. It can be anything you want, like beach, plants, food, shadows. I'll share a list of our favorite keywords at the end, but for now, let's type beach. Tap on a photo you want to use. Tap Add, then you can continue and select more photos. Once you're done, tap Done. All of the photos will appear in your preview feed. You can do a lot of things now. Let me show you some of the top features. First, you can move the posts around. This way you can preview your feed before you post on Instagram. You can also edit your photos and schedule. To edit the photo, tap on the post. Press on the Edit button and choose a filter at the bottom of your screen. Preview has a lot of different filter packs to achieve different aesthetics. So if you want different filters, tap on the circles button on the top of your screen. Now just choose a filter pack you'd like. Now let's schedule your post. If you're completely new to Preview, I'll give you a quick introduction to some of the most popular features. So open your caption. Type your caption and hashtags here. If your caption is too long, or if you want to post hashtags in the first comment, type them in the first comment box. Find caption ideas here. There are over 3,000 caption ideas for personal and business accounts. And find hashtags here. Don't need to worry about the hashtag research, we've done all of the research and SEO for you. To schedule your post, turn on Schedule Post. You can even auto-post if you want to as well. Now onto a really cool feature. You might want to use free photos for your Reels cover images, right? And be able to preview your Reels feed too? So here's how to do it. Open your Reels tab. Upload a video. Then tap on the post. Open your caption. Tap on Edit. Set cover image. Tap on Upload Image. And as you can see, you have the free photos option. Do the exact same thing as before. Type any keyword in the search bar and add the image you want. So let's say I want a beach photo as my cover image. I'll type beach, press on the photo I want, and add. When you're done, go back to your feed and preview your cover with the rest of your posts. How cool is that? Now, what if you want to get photos for your Instagram stories? A lot of people like to save backgrounds and images that represent what they're posting about. Tap on the Story tab in Preview. You can organize and save a bunch of photos here. And you guessed it, you can do the exact same thing. Tap on the plus button and select free photos. And last but not least, you can do the exact same thing on Preview Desktop. Click on the plus button. Click on the black logo. Type a keyword in the search bar. Click on one or more photos. Click Add and the photos will appear in your preview feed. Just like on the phone, you can move them around, open and write your caption, find caption ideas, hashtag ideas, and schedule. And that's it. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about this feature. Otherwise, have fun creating your content, and until next time, see you on Instagram!